office in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Perry County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in south central Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, eastern Jackson County, Illinois, Franklin County in south central Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weymouth to near Cedar Lake area, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake of Egypt area around 3:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Creel Springs. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois near mile marker 1. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 44 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 90. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, Perry, and Williamson. A severe thunderstorm